Okay, I've got a error code coming up, P071, which says it's running lean left bank. Being a 4-cylinder, that's the whole bank on the 4-cylinder. Lean being probably a vacuum leak. Spent 2 weeks taking it to people, trying to figure out what it was. Found this system on the internet. Now I'm trying it myself. What we're going to do is smoke the engine to find out where the vacuum leak is. To do this, I've got a little pump which is going to put pressure into this coffee can. Then I'm going to put a cigar on the end of this hose, which is going to create my smoke, and then I'm going to hook the end of the cigar line up to an inlet vacuum port and let the smoke go into the engine. So here we will start the process. Matches. Okay. I have to light the cigar. And of course it's windy out today. I'm using a cigar with a plastic tip so I can shove it into this clear tubing. Once I shove it into the tubing, I'm going to put it in the can with a pressure inlet and the cigar being lit. The pump is set to about 1 psi, but I still have to put duct tape on here to hold the can. When I plug this in, we will see smoke coming out the other end of the hose. I just created a vacuum pump, which automotive vacuum pumps cost $1,000. Now I'm going to hook it up to the inlet line on a vacuum port. I'm going to look for where the smoke starts coming out. I have a glove here which I know I'm getting positive pressure into the engine. Now we're going to start looking for smoke in a second. Oh, look at this. Smoke's coming out the throttle body, throttle shaft. Let's see if there's another leak. Nothing else leaking yet. Whoop, there's something on the backside leaking, but it might be coming from the glove area. Yeah, smoke on the back is coming from the glove area, but it's coming out this shaft here. Okay, I took it to a shop. They wanted to replace the intake manifold gasket for $700. It's not the intake manifold, it's evidently the throttle body shaft. $15 it cost me to make this, plus the pump I just happen to have. That's it.